Looking for the perfect tool to level up your electronics game in 2025? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best smart multimeters of 2025, built for precision, packed with smart features, and ready for both pros and DIYers. From auto-ranging to Bluetooth connectivity, these multimeters make testing voltage, current, resistance, and more faster and easier than ever. Let's get started. At number 5, UNI-T UT89XUT89 XD multimeter. If you're after precision and durability, this is a top-tier smart multimeter built for serious work. With true RMS, 1000V/20A AC DC measurement, NCV detection, and a 6000 count display, it's perfect for electricians and advanced DIYers. The UT89X includes temperature testing, while the UT89 XD even handles LED testing. Plus, with a rugged drop-proof body, flashlight, and audible/visual alarms, it's built for tough environments. Ask ChatGPT. At number 4, BSIDE Digital Multimeter S10. The smart multimeter that redefines user-friendly precision. With a 3.5-inch EBTN color display, 9999 count resolution, and auto-detection features, it's built for both pros and beginners. Easily switch functions with a single button, and enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable 800 mAh battery. From voltage to capacitance, frequency, and NCV testing, this ultra-thin, stylish tool delivers big on performance. At number 3, Awning 623 Car Multimeter. Looking for a powerful multimeter with pro-level features at a budget-friendly price? Meet the Awning 623. With a massive 20,000 count display, auto-range selection, and full overload protection up to 1000 VDC, it's ideal for serious electrical work. It's powered by a rechargeable 1800 mAh lithium battery, features auto shutdown, and handles everything from millivolts to 10A current. At number 2, Awning an 870 Smart Multimeter. Your all-in-one tool for precise electrical measurement. With a 19,999 count bright backlit display, true RMS accuracy, and auto/manual ranging, it's perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Measure AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, and more, all with dual fuse protection and NCV detection for added safety. Rugged silicone cover, data hold, and low battery alert make this the ultimate multimeter for 2025. At number 1, ZOYI 3-in-1 Digital Multimeter. Unlock pro-level diagnostics with this 3-in-1 dual-channel oscilloscope multimeter. With 50 MHz bandwidth, 280 ms/s sampling rate, and a built-in signal generator, it's engineered for precision. The 3.5-inch TFT color screen ensures clear, vibrant visuals, while the auto-adjust function and persistence mode make waveform analysis effortless. Plus, with a 3,400 mAh rechargeable battery, you're powered for hours.